Good day, everyone. Welcome to yet another class. So today we are going to be talking about a another Excel function, which is called the count function. Now, the importance of count function is sometimes you want to count the number of cells that you have filled. Sometimes you just want to know that number, and the way to go about it instead of you having to you know, you could as well do like this, highlight everything to this place and come here and see the count of you come down here and see 96 if you want to, but you want to represent it now in a way that anybody who you are doing this analysis for can actually see it. Okay, the count of this is a certain number. So a way to go about it is to use what they call the count function. Now this is how the count function applies. Now, let's say I want to count just men. I just want to count men, or let's say I want to count the number of rows in this particular that we have data in this particular cell of weight. Now, all you can do is just go to the count your function and come here and type count. So you can either come here, just type count and you see it. If you press OK, now you see a lot of counts. Now this first count, you use it to count numbers, just numbers alone. Now if I press OK, and I'll just, the for value means highlight where I want to count, and I want to count from up to here and press OK. You see it gives me 96. But if I apply that same count in where there is alphabet, it's already in my 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 history. I'll just press OK and come here, select from here and press OK. Watch what it will give me, 0, and that's because it's no number. A way to go about it is we can delete and apply a count function, but it's called count a count. I think count, the word for it is count alphabet. You see it is the second function here, count alphabet, and all you need to do is just to click here and go up, and it will give you 96. So now assuming that I want to do a count of all the blanks, let me delete some blank here, let me make it blank. I want to do of empty cells here. I can still go click on my function, type the count function here to search, and I'll go to count blank. Watch what happens. Let me select the cells I want to count, and what I want to count now is empty cells. If I click enter, look at what it's telling me, 2. Look at what happened. These are the only 2 cells that are blank. Imagine, just watch what will happen if I decide to delete. You can see it will be updating. You can see that this is updating automatically. Now this in itself is useful, as we all know. If I delete, you see that it will tell me that okay, I have some blank numbers, and that's the use of the count blank. So count a, we have the count, which is for counting numbers. We have the count a for counting alphabet, and this one is for counting blanks, just blanks. Now you can count as well based on certain criteria. The way we did sum based on certain criteria, you can also count based on certain criteria. So in the next video, we are going to be talking about the use of count if and count ifs.